Yeah.
But the 1964 ValmetSchlieren, as you know, plus VS factor capacity is 3 per 2 frames. Oh, does it have it?
Yeah, it has just single memory properly.
Yeah. We inspected in 2023. Nobody here.
You don't need to press it, because it has memories. But not no full memory, but still memory.
Interesting. Is it still calm?
Yeah.
Yes. Turned 55 years old in 2019.
Iskupiippakin Jyväskylä VT-autossa on yhdessä gröttis.
This went late 1964.
Yeah.
Then I checked the information age.
Yeah.
This was finished in 1965. And this has memory, so then this could be late 1964.
Yeah. Yeah, no full memory. Or it has, but it's very slow. I don't like this kind of memory.
It's slow.
Yeah.
But it still has it, so it's
Yeah.
more advanced.
Yeah, but I like more without memory because it's much faster.
This takes 2 milliseconds.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks to the first one. Otherwise this building is impossible to get in.
Yeah.
But you did it in one at least. Oh yeah, that's it, thank you.